from the boards.
Live from the New Jersey Natural Gas Asbury Park Boardwalk Studio.
This is 94.3 The Point and 94.3thepoint.com.
Gino D broadcasting live from the Boardwalk in Asbury Park. I'm here with Mary. She's the henna tattoo artist from 3rd and Ocean. And there's a new store this year called Swim. Mary, what's going on with the new store?
So that's right, yeah. We just opened a store called Swim, and it has contemporary swimsuits and beachwear and all that kind of cover-ups. It's really cute and affordable.
So you've been really busy with the tattoos this weekend?
Yeah, we have. We had a bunch yesterday, and I'm thinking we're going to have a lot today.
So what's the recurring theme? What do you got here? Is there like one that you see over and over again that you keep doing?
So we do have a lot of like flowers, infinity signs, crosses, skulls, you know, the usual. But yesterday we had a really cool one, which was someone got like a molar on their arm.
A tooth, a molar.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Maybe it was like to remember the root canal or something that they didn't recover from.
Maybe they were a dentist, I don't know.
I think Jonathan, our promotions guy, needs a Tilly right on his neck. Can you do that?
I could do that, that'd be cool.
But make it a real tattoo, but don't tell him. Tell him it's not really.
I don't think we're allowed to do that.
Thanks for stopping by. We're going to be checking in throughout the summer, right? Let us know what your designs are all about. That's Mary. She is the henna tattoo artist. You can find her at 3rd and Ocean, and the new store is Swim, right across from where we are. We're a little trailer on the Boardwalk in Asbury Park, so right across the way. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you.
Right now, I got point music for you. This is Andy Grammer. Honey, I'm good.